everyone. Welcome back to day 3 of our English learning series. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Zero. How's it going today, Zero?
Hey Emma, I'm doing great, thanks. Excited for today's topic. We're going to dive into something super important, greetings and small talk.
Yes, definitely. These are the things you need to master if you want to sound natural in any conversation. So, let's talk about how to greet people properly and keep the conversation going with some light small talk.
Exactly. Small talk can seem tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. It's all about being friendly and showing interest in the other person.
That's right. Let's start with greetings. In English, we have a bunch of ways to say hello depending on the situation, right?
For sure. The most common greeting is probably just hi or hello. It's simple and works in almost every situation.
Yeah, but there are also some more casual ways like, hey, or what's up? These are super common with friends or people you know well.
Exactly. And what's up is especially cool because it's informal and it's basically asking, how's everything? Or what's going on?
Right? And you can answer that with something simple like, not much, or just chilling. But what if you want to greet someone more formally, like in a business setting?
Good question. In that case, you could say something like, good morning or good afternoon, depending on the time of day. Or even, it's a pleasure to meet you, if you're meeting someone for the first time.
Oh, I like that. And if you're not sure when it's the right time to say good morning versus hello, I'd say go with hello. It's safe in any situation.
Yeah, for sure. And after the greeting, it's common to follow up with a, how are you? Or, how's everything going?
Totally. That's another important part of small talk. It's not just about saying hi, but also showing interest in the other person. How you answer that is important too.
Yeah, I usually say, I'm good, thanks. Or, I'm doing well. But you can also go a little deeper, like, I'm great, just had a really good morning.
Nice. It shows you're open and ready to chat. But what if you're talking to someone and they say they're fine or okay? It's not a bad thing, but it might feel a little dry. So it's good to follow up with a question like, what's new? Or, anything exciting going on?
That's a great point. It's a good way to keep the conversation moving. You don't want to stay too surface level. You can ask something like, did anything fun happen over the weekend? Or, have you been working on any new projects lately?
Exactly. And if you don't have a specific question, you can always go with, how about you? It's a great way to turn the question back to the other person.
For sure. And if you're trying to get to know someone better, asking questions about their hobbies, their day, or their weekend plans is always a great idea.
And don't forget that small talk isn't always about asking questions. You can also offer something about yourself, like, I just started a new book, or I've been binge watching this amazing show on Netflix.
I love that. Sharing something personal, even if it's just a little bit, can make the conversation feel more relaxed and open. And if they're interested, it's an easy way to keep talking.
Right. And even if you don't have anything exciting to say, you can still keep the small talk going by showing enthusiasm for whatever the other person says. If they mention a new hobby, you could say, that sounds awesome. How did you get into that?
Exactly. It's all about keeping the conversation flowing and showing genuine curiosity. Another great way to start small talk is with the weather.
Ah, yes. The weather. It might seem like a classic boring topic, but it's actually perfect for starting small talk. It's neutral and something everyone can relate to. You can say things like, it's a beautiful day today, or it looks like it's going to rain later.
Right. And it's also a good way to break the ice in a more awkward situation, like at the beginning of a meeting or when you're meeting someone new. It's an easy topic to discuss that won't feel too personal.
Exactly. And if they say something like, yeah, it's a little cold today, you can follow up with, yeah, I'm ready for summer. That's how you keep the small talk going and make it more engaging.
It's true. And before we wrap up, I want to mention something else. When you're doing small talk, don't forget to smile and keep your body language open. It makes you seem friendly and approachable, which is key in any conversation.
That's such a great point, Zero. Smiling and having positive body language can make a huge difference. It shows you're engaged and enjoying the conversation.
And if you're having trouble getting the conversation started, just remember, everyone loves talking about themselves. Ask questions, listen actively, and be genuinely curious. You'll be a small talk pro in no time.
Well said. All right, that's it for day 3. We hope this episode helps you feel more comfortable with greetings and small talk in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so use these tips the next time you chat with someone.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode.